In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address in AdsPower. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. So, let's dive in. First, you need to open AdsPower on your device. Once you're there, simply log into your account as you normally would. If you have your credentials saved, this should be a breeze. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. That's where your profile icon is located. Click on that profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to look for something that says Account Settings, and click on it. This will take you directly to where you need to be to make changes to your account. Now that you're in the account settings, focus on the section labeled Basic Info. In this area, you'll find your current email address displayed. Before we proceed, it's always a good idea to double-check this email to ensure it's the one you wish to update. Once you're ready, you'll notice a button near your email that says Change Email, or perhaps Edit. Go ahead and click that. A new field will appear, prompting you to enter your new email address. Type in your new email, making sure there are no typographical errors, as this is very important. After entering the new address, AdsPower is going to take extra steps to ensure everything is secure and legitimate. They will send a verification code to the email address you just provided. So, hop over to your email inbox and check for an email from AdsPower. Sometimes, it might land in your spam or junk folder, so make sure to check those if you don't see it immediately. Once you've located the email, you'll find the verification code inside. Go back to AdsPower and enter this code where prompted. This step is crucial as it confirms your email address change. After entering the correct code, you'll want to look for a button that says Save or Confirm. Click that to finalize the process. And there you have it. Your email address associated with your AdsPower account has been updated successfully. Remember, this change is important for keeping track of updates and messages related to your account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments, and I'll do my best to assist you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.